So today I'm going to be showing you guys a pretty requested video. It is how I color my brows. Yeah, if you guys want to know how I do this, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I like to do before I will color my brows is kind of make sure they're like nicely shaped, trim them, pluck them, get them waxed, threaded, whatever you like to do. I'll brush them with a spoolie. Oops, I dropped that. I will pluck the hairs. So these are my favorite tweezers. These are from Tweezerman. They're so old, but they're nice and sharp, but they're not like pointy. They're that like angled. They really like grab onto the hairs. And then I just have some like simple eyebrow shears. You can use any eyebrow shears you want. I just don't like the hair to be like too long. But I hate when my hair is like super short, so I'll trim a little bit. Usually I don't trim every time. And then to finish it off, I have this like finishing touch thing. I just got this on Amazon. I think it was like 10 bucks. And I just like to go in like on my forehead and like really clean it up, because you guys know I shave like pretty much all of this on my face. I get my forehead a little bit, but I'm so scared of like shaving a brow off that I don't get too close to my brows. So I'll use like and really like line them up. Okay, so this is the before. I haven't like combed them or like spoolied them or anything. As you can see, I have some like sparseness up in the front of my brow. So you can see like I keep my brows pretty clean. Like I'll clean up the bottom here, and then that is kind of bothering me, so I'm gonna like shape it like that. This one, you know, we're waiting for this to grow. Okay, so now I've cleaned up my brows. Like I said, this one, I don't know what is happening with that one lately. This one's nice and clean. So as for the actual coloring of the brows, I like to use, and this is like kind of embarrassing, but I mean it works, the Just for Men mustache and beard color. What is my color? My color is light medium brown M30. So yeah, I mean it's very like convenient to get, because I got mine at Target. I think it was like $7 to $12. Obviously this like thing is gonna last you so long. It's gonna expire probably before you use it all. So it comes with this plastic tray that you mix in, which I actually use this. And then it comes with your color and your developer in these little tiny tubes. It comes with this brush. I don't use this brush to put it on my brows. I actually use this to mix. And then I just use this angled brush to actually apply it to my brows. And then just because I don't like a lot of staining, I do like a little bit of staining like on my skin on my brow, just because it makes for a better shape for me for a couple days. But just so it doesn't stain like insane, just so it doesn't give me an insane stain, I like to use Vaseline. I'll just like run this on the outline of my brows, so that way if I color outside the lines, it doesn't stain like my forehead too bad, you know. And yeah, that is literally it. It's so easy. This will sit for 5 minutes. If you want it to be a little bit darker, you can let it sit for longer. It does oxidize, so when you're using it and you see your brows getting darker, it's fine. They're gonna be a little bit lighter when you rinse them off anyway. So, yeah, I will get this started. So you want to take a spoolie and just comb your like brow hairs down, just so they're all going in the same direction. You don't want them to go crazy. Literally, I'll just take this brush, dip it into the Vaseline. And this kind of feels gross, but you know, it's only on for like a couple minutes. I'm gonna get closer. And literally, like, you guys aren't gonna be able to see this because obviously the Vaseline is clear, but I'm just gonna run it on the top. Run on the bottom, and a little bit right there. Super simple. Like I said, this is just gonna prevent the eyebrow color from staining your forehead too bad. Oh, I just dropped the cap. So this is my color. This is my tube. Yeah, that should be good. Literally a dot. That's like all you need. I'm gonna take my developer, I'm gonna do another dot. And now you're just gonna mix this together. I'm gonna take this brush. Just mix them together. So that is what it's looking like right now. I'm literally gonna take my brush, dip it in, and start painting. Now you could do this any way you want. You could draw like brush-like strokes on your brow. I mean hair-like strokes on your brow. Or you can go in like I do and just kind of like fill it. So, and like I said, I will get up here like on the skin. Just so it stains it a little bit. And I'll kind of like draw it. Just like you're doing your like brows. Like you do every day. And then I'm going to take a little bit right on this one. Dylan just got home and I can hear Lou. I will just let this sit for 5 minutes and then I'll be back to show you guys how it oxidizes. As you can see, it like gets dark, but this is because it's like oxidizing right now and it's processing, so it's not going to be this dark when I like take it off. So you can either take like a makeup wipe and take this off, or you guys can just wash your face. It's up to you. I am going to use my Up and Up brand cleansing towelettes. I normally don't have makeup wipes, but I'm obsessed with these because they smell like rose. They're really good. Poop showed them to me. So I'm just going to take the wipe. Bum, ba, bum. And you really want to like rub it to get the product off. So you can see like it's a very soft brow. Comb through them a little bit. So you can see on that one, on this one, I don't have hair right there, but I created like a little shadow. So it looks like I do. This is the finished brow. Obviously it like looks really weird right now because my face is really red and I just don't look the best right now. But yeah, so now tomorrow I'll just put face makeup on and I don't have to fill in my brows. And you guys know I hate filling my brows, so this works for me. Let me know if you guys tried this out. Tag me on Instagram or send me a picture because I'd love to see. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next video.